Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director with Acculevel. You may be wondering, what is a dehumidifier? In this video, we're going to tackle that question. So a dehumidifier really serves one main purpose. That's to control the humidity levels in your house, your crawl space, or your basement. Your more commercial sized dehumidifiers are going to do a really good job at sucking that moisture, controlling your humidity levels in your entire basement or crawl spaces. A lot of them, like ours do, which is an Aprilaire, have a digital pad on the top that automatically sets it for the humidity level that you desire, kicks on, brings that humidity level down, pumps that water away. No trays, no turning a knob to turn it on or turn it off, but it's pretty self-maintained that way. And so we use these dehumidifiers all the time to bring down your moisture levels in your basements and crawl spaces, especially to help really prevent that mold growth, the biological growth, and any kind of damage a moisture can cause with subfloor and your floor joists or sill plates. So did this video help answer your questions about what a dehumidifier is? Please let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We see about 99% of the people watching these videos aren't subscribing, so we would really appreciate it if you did.